everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn daily uses sentences. So let's start a video. I am getting angry. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. I am getting angry. What will you do? क्या करेंगे आप? What will you do? I didn't hear clearly. मैंने स्पष्ट रूप से नहीं सुना. I didn't hear clearly. No one can help me. कोई मेरी मदद नहीं कर सकता. No one can help me. It's too expensive. यह बहुत महंगा है. It's too expensive. Did you get my book? क्या तुम्हें मेरी किताब मिली? Did you get my book? I reached on time. मैं समय पर पहुंच गया. I reached my time. Sorry, on time. He understand himself well. वह खुद को अच्छे से समझाता है. He understand himself well. He is the best. वह सर्वश्रेष्ठ है. He is the best. I saw him. मैंने उसे देखा. I saw him. Didn't get me wrong. मुझे गलत नहीं समझना. Didn't get me wrong. I don't like just activities. I don't like such activities. मुझे ऐसी हरकतें पसंद नहीं है. I don't like such activities. Keep it up to yourself. इसे अपने तक ही सीमित रखें. Keep it up to yourself. Call me tomorrow. मुझे कल फोन करना. Call me tomorrow. He is with his mother. वह अपनी माँ के साथ है. He is with his mother. She is going with her brother. वह अपने भाई के साथ जा रही है. She is going with her brother. Right now I just want to sleep. अभी मैं सिर्फ सोना चाहता हूँ. Right now I just want to sleep. Right now I just want to read. अभी मैं सिर्फ पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. Right now I just want to read. Everybody can do it. हर कोई इसे कर सकता है. Everybody can do it. Never mind, I will manage. कोई बात नहीं, मैं मैनेज कर लूंगा. Never mind, I will manage. Never mind, I will handle him. कोई बात नहीं, मैं उसे संभाल लूंगा. Never mind, I will handle him. He began to laugh. वह हंसने लगा. He began to laugh. He began to cry. वह रोने लगा. He began to cry. I begin to read. मैं पढ़ना शुरू करता हूँ. I begin to read. He begin to do. वह करना शुरू कर देता है. He begin to do. You begin to come. तुम आना शुरू करो. You begin to come. Never mind, let it be. कोई बात नहीं, इसे रहने दो. Never mind, let it be. Never mind, he will do it. कोई बात नहीं, वह ऐसा करेगा. Never mind, he will do it. Never mind, I will do it myself. कोई बात नहीं, मैं यह खुद ही कर लूंगा. Never mind, I will do it myself. Was I wrong? क्या मैं गलत था? Was I wrong? When did I say? मैंने कब कहा? When did I say? He is not at home. वह घर पर नहीं है. He is not at home. Never open the door at night. रात को कभी भी दरवाजा न खोले. Never open the door at night. Always help the needy. हमेशा जरूरतमंदों की मदद करें. always help the needy. Never go outside alone. कभी भी अकेले बाहर न जाए. Never go outside alone. Never play with fire. कभी भी आग से मत खेलो. Never play with fire. Don't call your brother. अपने भाई को मत बुलाओ. Don't call your brother. Please buy me this blue dress. कृपया मेरे लिए यह नीली पोशाक खरीद दीजिए. Please buy me this blue dress. Kindly finish your work first. कृपया पहले अपना काम खत्म करें. Kindly finish your work first. Don't hate me. मुझसे नफरत मत करो. Don't hate me. Take it away. इसे दूर ले जाए. Take it away. Your rude behavior has hurt me. आपके अशिष्ट व्यवहार से मुझे दुख पहुंचता है. Your rude behavior has hurt me. Why don't you understand me? तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand me? Please come on time sometime. कृपया कभी कभी समय 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 पर आते रहो. Please come on time sometime. Do ever call me. कभी मुझे फोन करना. Do ever call me. Do you ever listen to me? क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात सुननी है? Do you ever listen to me? Do you ever let me speak? कभी मुझे बोलने दो. Do you ever let me speak? Don't mind my words. मेरी बात का बुरा मत मानना. Don't mind my words. Why do you insult me? तुम मेरा अपमान क्यों करते हो? Why do you insult me? Leave the door half open. दरवाजा आधा खुला छोड़ दो. Leave the door half open. Don't be smart. होशियार मत बनो. Don't be smart. When did you come? कब आए आप? When did you come? You teach me something. आप मुझे कुछ सिखाइए. You teach me something. Is it time to laugh? क्या यह समय हंसने का समय है? Is it time to laugh? What do you think? आप क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? Keep your eyes down. अपनी नजरें नीचे रखो. Keep your eyes down. Do you eat eggs? क्या आप अंडे खाते हैं? Do you eat eggs? Wipe your hand. अपना हाथ पोंछो. Wipe your hand. It's nothing like that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's nothing like that. Can you meet me tomorrow in the evening? क्या आप कल शाम को मुझसे मिल सकते हो? Can you meet me tomorrow in the evening? I have to say something. मुझे कुछ कहना है. I have to say something. She looks like you. वह आपकी तरह लग रही है. She looks like you. I don't want to talk to you. मैं तुमसे बात नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to talk to you. It's 10 o'clock in no time. देखते ही देखते 10 बज गए. It's 10 o'clock in no time. He disappeared in no time. कुछ ही देर में वह गायब हो गया. He disappeared in no time. She started crying in no time. कुछ ही देर में वह रोने लगी. She started crying in no time. Everything was ruined in no time. देखते ही देखते सब कुछ बर्बाद हो गया. Everything was ruined in no time. The food was finished in no time. कुछ ही देर में खाना खत्म हो गया. The food was finished in no time. I am on leave today. मैं आज छुट्टी पर हूँ. I am on leave today. He was on leave yesterday. वह कल छुट्टी पर थे. He was on leave yesterday. Father will be on leave tomorrow. पापा कल छुट्टी पर रहेंगे. Father will be on leave tomorrow. I am going to be only today. मैं तो आज ही होने वाला हूँ. I am going to be only today. I am going to be on leave today. मैं आज छुट्टी पर रहने वाला हूँ. I am going to be on leave today. Will you be on leave today? क्या आप आज छुट्टी पर रहेंगे? Will you be on leave today? I want to talk to you. मुझे आपसे बात करनी है. I want to talk to you. You are also there. आप भी वही है. You are also there. At least listen to me. कम से कम मेरी बात तो सुनो. At least listen to me. You just mind your own business. आप बस अपने काम से काम रखें. You just mind your own business. I am having to go. मुझे खाना ही होगा. I am having to go. He is having to come. उससे तो आना ही पड़ेगा. He is having to come. We are having to play. हमें खेलना पड़ रहा है. We are having to play. You are talking too long. आप बहुत लंबी बात कर रहे हैं. You are talking too long. He takes too long to work. उसे काम करने में बहुत अधिक समय लगता है. He takes too long to work. Girls take too long to put makeup. लड़कियों को मेकअप करने में काफी समय लग जाता है. Girls take too long to put makeup. If God wills, we will meet soon. भगवान ने चाहा तो हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे. If God wills, we will meet soon. If God will, everything will be all right. भगवान ने चाहा तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. If God will, everything will be right. If God will, we will buy a car next year. भगवान ने चाहा तो अगले साल कार खरीदेंगे. If God wills, we will buy a car next year. If God wills, we will have lots of money. भगवान ने चाहा तो हमारे पास बहुत पैसा होगा. If God wills, we will have lots of money. If God will, he will come back. भगवान ने चाहा तो हम वापस आ जाएंगे. If God will, he will come back. She is singing with joy. वह खुशी से गा रही है. She is singing with joy. We are not allowed to enter that room. हमें उस कमरे में जाने की इजाजत नहीं है. We are not allowed to enter that room. You will catch the evil eye. आप बुरी नजर पकड़ लेंगे. You will catch the evil eye. As of now, it won't happen. फिलहाल तो ऐसा होना ही चाहिए. As of now, it won't happen. From today onwards, I will practice every day. आज से मैं प्रतिदिन अभ्यास करूंगा. From today onwards, I will practice every day. He didn't even call me. उसने मुझे फोन भी नहीं किया. He didn't even call me. I am not your slave. मैं आपका गुलाम नहीं हूँ. I am not your slave. I don't want to talk about it. मैं इस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to talk about it. Don't use my phone even by mistake. गलती से भी मेरा फोन इस्तेमाल मत करना. Don't use my phone even by mistake. Don't touch it even by mistake. भूलकर भी इसे मत छूना। डोंट टच इट इवन बाय मिस्टेक। डोंट कॉल मी इवन बाय मिस्टेक। भूलकर भी मुझे फोन मत करना। डोंट कॉल मी इवन बाय मिस्टेक। Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.